Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will learn about the types of starters in MCC panel. MCC stands for Motor Control Center. These panels are used to start, stop, control and protect electrical motors in industries. Different types of starters are used based on motor size, starting current, dot and application requirements. The main types of starters are as follows: DOL Starter, Star Delta Starter, Auto Transformer Starter, Soft Starter, and VFD Starter. Let's understand each starter one by one. This is a DOL, or direct online starter. In DOL Starter, the motor is connected directly to the supply voltage through a contactor and overload relay. When the start button is pressed, the contactor energizes and the motor receives full voltage instantly. DOL starters are simple, economical and widely used for small motors. However, the starting current is very high, generally 6 to 8 times the rated current. This is a Star Delta Starter, commonly used for medium and large motors. At starting, the motor is connected in star connection. In star mode, each winding receives lower voltage, so the starting current reduces significantly. After a preset time, the starter automatically changes to delta connection. Now the motor receives full voltage and runs at full speed and torque. Star Delta starters help reduce starting current and protect the electrical system from voltage dips. This is an auto transformer starter. Here, an auto transformer is used during motor starting to reduce the applied voltage. This helps in reducing starting current while still providing better starting torque compared to Star Delta starters. After the motor gains speed, the transformer is bypassed and the motor runs on full supply voltage. These starters are mainly used for large motors with heavy starting loads. This is a soft starter. Soft starters use electronic devices called thyristors to gradually increase motor voltage during starting. Because of smooth acceleration, the starting current and mechanical shock are reduced. Soft starters are commonly used in pumps, fans, compressors and conveyor systems. They increase equipment life and reduce maintenance. This is a VFD or Variable Frequency Drive Starter. A VFD controls both voltage and frequency supplied to the motor. This allows precise speed control along with smooth starting and stopping. VFDs help save energy and improve process control in industries. They are widely used in HVAC systems, conveyors, pumps and automation systems. Now let's understand the working of a Star Delta starter in detail. During starting, the motor windings are connected in star connection. This reduces the phase voltage to 1 divided by √3 times the line voltage. As a result, starting current becomes approximately 1/3 of DOL starting current. After a preset delay using a timer, the connection changes from star to delta. Now the motor receives full voltage and operates normally. This is the power circuit diagram of a Star Delta starter. It consists of main contactor, star contactor, delta contactor, overload relay, and timer. Initially, the main and star contactors remain on. After the timer operation, the star contactor turns off and the delta contactor turns on. This changes the motor connection from star to delta. This is the control circuit diagram of a Star Delta starter. The start push button energizes the main contactor and timer circuit. The star contactor activates during starting. After the timer delay, the star contactor energizes and the delta contactor energizes automatically. Electrical interlocking ensures that star and delta contactors never operate together. Let's quickly revise the working sequence. Step 1. Press the start button. Step 2. Main contactor and star contactor energize. Step 3. Motor starts in star connection with reduced current. Step 4. Timer starts counting. Step 5. After preset time, star contactor turns off. Step 6. Delta contactor turns on. Step 7. Motor runs in delta connection at full voltage. Now let's compare star and delta connections. In star connection, starting current is low, torque is low, and voltage per winding is reduced. In delta connection, motor receives full voltage, torque becomes high, and the motor runs under normal operating conditions. That is why star is used only during starting and delta is used during running. In this video, we learned about different types of starters used in MCC panels. We also understood the working of DOL Starter, Star Delta Starter, Auto Transformer Starter, Soft Starter and VFD Starter. Choosing the correct starter improves motor protection, energy efficiency and overall system reliability. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more electrical engineering content.